Good morning! This is the condition of my face. And look at my nose. So I'll be using this from Sephora, a patch charcoal nose strip. Okay, let's do it. Let's get started.
Mabuhay! Do you want to improve your style, get inspired, and be motivated in life? Consider joining my squad. All you have to do is subscribe for good vibes.
Okay, you're supposed to clean and remove your makeup if you have any. Nagilamos na ako. And clean your nose, of course. Do not dry completely. Leave skin damp. Oh, medyo dry na yung ano ko. So, water ako ng face. Remove the transparent protective film dito sa loob. I'll open it and then I'll show. Wait, I'm gonna wash my face. Yan lang, pat lang. Medyo para may konting moisture. Ayan. Leave it as like that. And then, open it. I got it from Sephora po. Sephora. Here. If you're from, I think, kahit saan meron Sephora eh. So, eto. Oh. Ito. So, sabi dito, remove the transparent protective film. Kasi tingnan nyo ba naman, oh? Grabe. Remove this. Done. Right. Oh, ayan na. And then, apply the strip onto slightly damp nose skin with the shiny side against the skin. Against the skin. Yung shiny side dito. Okay. Basahin ko ulit. Medyo basa dapat. Like this. Like that. Paano ba? Paano ba to? Ganito? Yan, ganyan. Yeah, ganyan. Tapos, leave it on for 10 minutes. Peel the strip off. 10 minutes daw. Alright. Feeling ko hindi ko nalagay ng tama. Lagay ko ba ng tama? Yan, 10 minutes starts na. Kasama kaya yung madumi kong ilong. Sabi dito, this efficient extract blackheads and unclog pores, eliminates impurities for smoother and clearer skin. Yun nga. True. This strip is made of 100% charcoal fiber tissue from vegetal origin. Okay. Lumikit ba siya? Ayan. See you in 10 minutes. Turn it on. Tapos na ako sa 10 minutes. Parang walang nangyari. May nangyari. Okay. Let's do it. And then, leave it on 10 minutes. Peel the strip off. Oh. Oh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Dun lang siya dumikit. Dito hindi siya dumikit. Wala kasi akong ilong eh. Sa kabila din meron, oh. Sayang naman, parang para dito lang siya talaga. Sakit na na, besh. Ayun. 10 minutes. Yun yung nakuha. Here, nakuha yung nandito. Not bad. Yung dito parang hindi pa nasyadong na tira. But that's okay. That's the first trial. And hihilamos na ako. So, thank you for watching. What do you think of that Sephora nose peeling? Charcoal nose strip. Thank you for watching. That is so quick. And comment down below of your suggestion of a better one if there is any. I really want to get rid of this. Yeah, comment down below. Bye. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Subscribe for good vibes.